Hi, I'm Donnie Buchanan from entrycounts.com. In this video, we're going to look at how to do related party disclosures in Xero when we're preparing general purpose financial reports. Okay, so when you're in the notes section of your general purpose reports, if you scroll down the page, you will see we have sections for related party transactions, related party loan assets, and also further down the page, related party loans that are in liabilities. You can see these are colour red. The reason they're red is because they need to be completed. We go to accounting and then advanced, over here with report fields. And on this page we have a variety of report fields that will pre-fill those sections of the notes. So if we scroll down the page, we can see the related party asset, related party liabilities, and related party transactions. So if I click in here, this is how I make a disclosure about some related party transactions. For example, we have directors on the payroll. So here we're saying that both directors received gross earnings for these periods. We also have two directors' loans that are liabilities, so we should disclose what they are about and whether or not they will be called upon within the next 12 months. And we're done. Back on the notes page, I'm just going to click update. And if we scroll back down to those sections, we've made a disclosure about the directors being on the payroll. And down in the liability section, we've made a disclosure about what makes up these balances here. So that's how you make related party disclosures in Xero. Thank you.